Have you ever thought about how your older podcast episodes could start generating revenue again? Well, YouTube is set to change the game for podcast monetization with a new feature that will allow creators to dynamically insert ads into their existing videos. This means that instead of being stuck with outdated advertisement, you can replace them with fresh sponsorship relevant to today's audience. This innovative technology is similar to what platforms like Spotify and Apple Podcasts already offer, but now it's coming to YouTube, which boasts a massive audience for podcasts. With YouTube recording over 400 million podcast listening hour each month and attracting a billion monthly viewers, this is a significant opportunity for creators to increase their earning from their entire back catalog. One of the main challenges podcasters have faced on YouTube has been the permanence of recorded ads, which has limited the monetization potential of older content. The introduction of dynamic ad insertion could address this issue directly, enabling content to remain profitable over time. Neil Mohan, YouTube's CEO, hinted at this advancement in his letter regarding improving monetization for creators. Meanwhile, competition like Spotify are rapidly expanding their podcast services, and there's even speculation about Netflix venturing into podcast space. Imagine being able to earn from your content for years instead of just a few months. For podcaster and creators alike, it's look like that the future is just around the corner. If you want to learn how this feature might impact your content strategy, make sure to stay tuned for more updates.